Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. I go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. Everything you see here is live, genuine, and real. We're joined by investors and traders around the world every day who equally share their live trades, their live positions, and everything here is fully open and transparent. This is my journey. This is my money. This is my investments. Everything we have here is real. And every day we are joined by investors from around the world who equally share with you their positions, their shares, what they're trading in. This is my journey. If it goes to zero, this is all my money. Other than $2,000 in the bank, this is all my money. If it goes to zero, it goes to zero. If it goes to $1 million, you'll see it. We've had pain, we've had drama, we've had everything on this show, and we're here for you. Let's go straight into it. We apologize for the slight delay this morning due to unforeseen circumstances, and thank you ever so much, everyone, for waiting for me. I appreciate it very much indeed. I want to welcome a new audience this morning. We are live for the first time with this show over on Volume as well. Now, Volume is a music platform, but I asked if I could appear on their channel, and they said yes. So welcome our Volume audience this morning. If anybody from Volume pops up, please let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Okay, this is Volume. If you are interested, this is the Volume crew right now. So we'll see if anyone from Volume comes in. They're used to music on that channel, but there you go. Today they've got the Day Trader as well. So let's see what everyone has to say about that. Anyway, welcome to our family. Now then, let's get straight into the trades. Good morning, good afternoon. Welcome everybody. Subscribe, ring the bell, let us know you're here wherever you are. Follow, like, and welcome everybody over on TikTok as well. We got our cash prize giveaway coming up, of course, on Friday. We have a cash prize giveaway every single week on Friday. And Twitch, good morning, all my Twitchers. Welcome to everybody. All right, it should be an interesting morning. Let's have a look. Let's go through our stocks. So the S&P 500, everything is up today. Everything is up. It's a green day. I was going to say I knew it'd be a green day today, because if you look ahead of onto the world and see where the rest of the world is, you will see you get a good indication of where the world is going. Australia opens first, New Zealand, Australia, then you come into Japan, and then you come across into Europe and London, and then you can get an impression of where the markets are going. Virgin Galactic today is up, still below my 610. I haven't bought any more. I kind of wish I had, but I'm not in a position to buy any more at a lower price. But there you go. We are of average of 610. It was 672. So the average obviously has been decreased, which is good. Virgin Orbit today is 357, back up. I'm still down on this one. I was up on it quite a bit, well over $4, but we are down at the moment. Anyway, Tesla. Let's have a look at Tesla. Tesla is also up today, 1.22. We're trying to get that $300 a share, or 333 is the target. And that gets us to $1,000 in the old money, if you like, if you think about it in the old money. So anyway, great stuff. Rivian today is also up 1.24, looking good. Let's bring all our guests in this morning. We got Mike over there. How are you, Mike? Lovely to have you with me. We got Chris. Afternoon, Chris. Thanks for being here. Lovely to have you with me. Anybody who joins me on Volume today for the very first time, I'd love to get your thoughts. So something very different for you today. It's a music channel, so be interested to see what they make of my channel today, won't it? Anyway, Lucid also down today, 2.6. That's a big drop for Lucid this morning. What's the all-time low? 13.25. It's been lower. Good morning, Bill, over there on Twitch as well. Good morning, Polestar. That's also up today, 1.5. We've got Arrival today, which is up 2.63. That's good, but still very, very low, guys. Very, very low down there at 117. It can't really afford to go much lower. Amazon, let's have a look at Amazon today. Amazon is up 1.09. Not too bad at all. I'm up 6.5% on it. These are the big cap companies. Apple is up 0.76, looking pretty interesting today. I'm up 6.5% on Apple now. We've got the new iPhones around the corner. How will they sell their iPhones with the current global situation? No one's got any money, right? Over there on TikTok, good morning to all of you. If you want to come and join us, please click the profile up here. Come and join us. And of course, I've got our big cash prize giveaway on Friday. Robinhood up today, 0.85. McDonald's, let's have a look at McDonald's, 0.38. How are you? Coca-Cola up 0.4. J&J is the interesting one because I've recently bought J&J, lowered my average. It's up today 0.25%. Not bad at all, but I'm still down 2.87. What about Google today? Google's up 0.92. Those iPhones will sell in their bucket loads. I'll be buying mine. Well, I've not got a new iPhone since iPhone XS Max. I've got two XS Maxes. And if I could get another one, if Apple or T-Mobile are listening in, if I could get one more, I could be live on Instagram. You can't go on you can't go live on Instagram, but I could go live on Instagram if I in fact, yes, I can go live on Instagram if I had another phone. Yeah, I'd need another phone at the side of my TikTok phone. I could be live on Instagram, but I don't know if there's any benefit to it really. Instagram, I don't find much success, if I'm honest. Meta platforms is today, Facebook up 0.95. We're live on Volume this morning for the very first time. Volume is a music channel, but I asked if I could go live on their channel, and they said yes. So it'd be interesting to see if I get anybody from Volume pop in, say hello, and be interesting to see what they think of my channel, won't it? Anyway, a break from the music, right? SoFi is up 1.5 today, looking good. Still down 3.5%. I would have liked to buy more, but I just do not have any more money available. IonQ is up 1.78 today. PayPal. Let's have a look at PayPal. PayPal is up 0.65 today. Let's go through the stocks. Rolls-Royce. There you go. We had that really big bounce yesterday, and I felt flipping heck, I'm left out of the stock, but it's gone back down again. So anyway, that's exactly as Church said it would, but there you go. Walmart's doing pretty well, 0.62. I'm up 9.5% now, comfortably above $1,000. Very, very nice indeed. Happy with that. About Target's getting close, 991, up 6.5%. I've made $62 on it, and got the dividends paying out as well. Nice. Moving on to Tesco's. Tesco's up today 0.45. I'm still down 2%. I don't need to add any more though. I've got the dividends as well, which will be reinvested. Canoe is up 2.11. Canoe is up 2.11. Still down 5%. That's Gove, of course, ticker symbol. And now we move on to On. On is up 1.41. On Semiconductors, very, very important stock to hold, up 36% today, up 36%. Overall, I'm up 1.41. Very nice. Now, Tilray Brands has held its position. It hasn't fallen back. I'm up 5.82 now, but that really is nothing compared to where this stock's going. I bought it when it went down. I've got a good position in it. Doesn't pay any dividends, but it's got a 10x potential. All right, a 10x potential. Anyway, there we go. We're welcoming in our guest this morning. If anybody pops into Volume, I believe we might have one guest. I don't know. Let me know you're here. Let me know you are here, please. There we go. Whoops. Let me know if you're here. See if anyone pops in. Be interesting, wouldn't it? Ginkgo Bioworks, DNA, interesting stock. I'm down 5%. I would like to own more, but I'm not in a position to. Enphase Energy, up 61% now. Very, very nice indeed. It's been slightly higher, but good. Bitcoin SV, moving on to our crypto now. Bitcoin SV is down today 0.87. Bitcoin is down 0.73. Remember, my average is 19.6. I've actually got a buy of $100 at 18,000, and I will buy more as it goes down. I'm not going to pay any more for it. It's kind of now a personal trading strategy that I believe I put enough money in the markets, if you use every penny I've got, for the next 10 years. You know, I've spent money I would put every month, every week for the next 10 years in the markets now at these prices. And I think that's the best way. And what I'm doing is I'm only buying anything if it goes below my lowest price. And my average is 19.6, so I'm not going to pay 19.7. I don't care how good someone tells me it is. I want to lower my averages, but I'm not selling it. I'm holding it. I think this should be something that you want to keep for the next 10, 20 years, at least until I need to retire anyway. Ethereum. Now, Ethereum's very, very exciting. Down today 1%, but we had a good few days last week. We know that. But anyway, there's our positions right now. If we go over to our full position, you can see I'm actually up today 1.4, looking quite good. Looking quite good today. All right, there we go. Looking quite nice. Happy with that position? What's your positions looking like today? Are you up? Are you down? Where are you today? Looking good? Up 1.42 today. So let's get back to our people on TikTok, Twitter. How many we got on Twitch today? Good morning to you. Welcome. Thank you very much indeed. Keep a tab open. All the ad revenue I earn and subscribers I earn, I give away on Friday, my subscriber money. You know that. Good morning. Powell speaks again. Good morning. What do you know about Powell? I didn't know he was speaking today. What's he saying today? Share with me what you know. Church, share with me what you know today. I'd like to know. I'd be interested. What do you know today? Ethereum merge soon. It will jump on the 6th. My only concern is it might go up, and you might say, well, why don't you get some then? It might go up, but on the other side of the coin, there is certain evidence to suggest that once it goes up, it'll be immediate drop. That's what's predicted. Now, people are struggling. People need money. People need to get profits out of the market. I get it. So, to me, I'd say that's quite likely that people will, take profits when it pops up. I might be wrong, but a lot of people, that I follow, who I regard as generally correct. I mean, Paul B saying the same thing. He thinks we're going to get a pop and then a drop. A pop and a drop. Yeah, I mean, that's what I think. I think the markets are going to react negatively to it. First of all, good, and then I think we'll get a sell-off. But anyway, that's what I think. I might be wrong. I don't know. What is Powell saying today? We know about the Ethereum merge. That's Church of Logic. Powell's ready to make sacrifices. Okay, here we go. Let's read into this. His statements disappointed investors, but was no surprise. For months, Jay Powell said he'll keep fighting inflation till it stinks to near the Fed's target of 2%. Well, we have to get inflation down, you know. Companies can't make any money if inflation gets out of hand. Because, you know, at the end of the day, if inflation goes up, it's already gone up, but if inflation got out of hand, it already is, but any worse than it is. You know, we're talking about iPhones this morning. If iPhone was suddenly $5,000 an iPhone, no one's buying one, right? So we have to get inflation under control. It is important. I know it affects the markets, but everything has to be tackled, and we have to tackle this. I know it's painful, but it's at the moment, I feel okay. He said there will be no rate cuts for some time. I know, but remember that could change if we find that inflation, we said inflation peaked last month. Inflation, didn't go up last month. Sorry, yeah, inflation. If inflation is peaked and it starts to fall, rates they can drop the rates very, very quickly. Good morning, Zach. How are you? Zach, we are doing your fundraiser on Friday. Spread the word. Your fundraiser will happen on Friday. All right, just so you know, your fundraiser will be scheduled for Friday. Okay, so that's happening this Friday. And that will be after, of course, the closing bell. I apologise to everybody over on TikTok. I don't seem to be able to get my lighting right. It seems to be flaring a bit this morning. I don't know why. Anyway, there we go. Thank you very much. You are welcome. That was donated to you by Rob Brennan. It's a difficult time at the moment. Nobody's really making any money. We're all stagnated at the moment. We're all stuck. But I'd like to do it for you anyway. It's time, so we'll have that for you on Friday. And then we have Tom's the following Friday, and then we have the Queen of Self-Braiding the following Friday. We do have a lot going on. What is trending this morning? Very good point. What is trending this morning? So let's have a look. I use StockWits for this. I like to use StockWits to see what is trending this morning. And it's quite flat at the moment. There's not a lot going on at the moment, I have to be honest. Let me have a look around StockWits at the moment and see. Get an idea of what's going on. See what's trending on StockWits this morning. At the moment, there's not a lot going on. I have to say, markets are pretty flat. We've come at a point where there really isn't much going on. Keeping an eye on stuff, but there's not that great deal going on. You can tell when there's not much going on, our show is quieter. You can see our show is a bit quieter. People don't tend to. It's not as busy when the markets are flat like this. But there you go. Let's get back to our main position here. Power and Beauty Photography. Good morning to you, our new member. I was waiting to hear from you to put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. Would like to be able to help you with that. I was waiting to hear from you. So if you wish to go ahead with that, you are. I think you're a silver member. Is that right? Did I get that right? I can check that, but I think you're a silver member anyway. If you are, I can put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel, should you wish to be on the homepage of the channel. Anyway, it's great to have you here. Power and Beauty Photography, down 2.99%, 18% of portfolio in Clover. Clover, interesting. Hi, Bill and Zach. Dave Mottram is here. How are you? Retail is in a world of hurt for the rest of the year. This is the problem right now. We are in a stagnant area. Markets aren't doing a great deal. It's not looking ideal. We are, having a bit of pain right now. No question about it. Hey, Dave, how are you, mate? Dennis is here. Welcome, Dennis. Hi, what's your handle on StockWits? Well, you can probably guess. The Day Trader. In fact, I'm just looking at it. Is it the Day Trader? Yeah, Martyn Lucas. Here it is. I'll share it with you. Just my name, Martyn Lucas. There you go. There you go. MartynLucas. I'm also on Reddit, Twitter, all those places. All the links are below all my videos. So you can follow me on all the different things. Today, for the first time, we are actually streaming. I've done my music on this channel, but today we're streaming on Volume, which is a music channel. I asked them if they said I could stream on their channel. I don't know if anyone will be interested in my content, but we shall see. Anyway, good morning, Logan Pizza. Good morning to you. Give gambling stocks a look. Coming into American football season, that really isn't for me. It doesn't interest me. I have to be honest. It doesn't interest me. I wouldn't invest in that. Lots of people will try to make money since they're all broke. I know. But right now, I think the wise thing to do, is not day trade. I honestly do. The more I study with Warren Buffett and the like, in situations like this, a bull market is the best time to day trade, or when we've got a bear market rally. We haven't got any of that right now. We've just got stagnating stocks going sideways, not really sure where we're going. So to be honest with you, this is not a good time to be messing around with your portfolio. Don't forget you'll pay 20% tax on your short-term gains. Sometimes investing can be boring. Sometimes investing is just a matter of wait and see. Anyway, you've got to do it. You've got to play it your own way. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. And I'm back. There we go. Welcome back. Just a quick short break there. Now then, hi church. Companies like DraftKings and MGM. Very speculative though, and you can get caught. The thing is, I don't want to get caught because it's very easy to buy into a stock hoping it's going to pop. Are you happy then if it's to be stuck in it? And I don't want to be stuck in certain stocks. In a market like we are now, I want to be in stocks that if I went to sleep for 6 months, I'd wake up and my stocks would be up. And I think that's very important, because if you have stress, then you start trading wildly and crazily and you start doing the wrong thing. I think it's important to get your balance right. Let me try and fix this. Is that any better? Is that any better for you? I'm trying to fix it. I've got a lighting issue this morning. I'm trying to fix it. Is that any better for you? Let's see that. Does that work? Slightly. Yeah, the lights keep flaring. Unfortunately, TikTok is so frustrating. Only lets you broadcast from your phone. Whereas here on YouTube, we're here, much better quality. 4K, and I'm going from my computer. Whereas on TikTok, you have to go from your phone. You can't broadcast professionally. So you're looking at my YouTube broadcast. This is my YouTube show. Anyway, I think that's a bit better. That's cut out the lens flaring. Seems to be a bit better. A little bit, maybe. Anyway, whatever. It's my shiny head, right? I can't do much about that. I could wear a mask if you want. Anyway, getting back to our trades this morning. Logan Pizza, good morning to you. Companies like DraftKings, MGM, says Church. Right, let's look at our positions right now. We have got Easy C. Good morning, Easy C. Welcome to the party. Welcome to you. Lovely to have you here. Virgin Galactic, up today, 1.51. I'm on a wash right now, though. Virgin Orbit, Tesla. Let's go for all the stock positions. Rivian, up 1.24. Lucid's coming up. We had a big drop this morning. But, I don't want any more Lucid. You could day trade Lucid. Lucid's a good day trading situation, up and down like a yo-yo. And that's not bad, because I like to own Lucid. So Lucid is one of those stocks which is really good to day trade. But I also want to hold it. But I mean, this is one of those situations where you can literally buy and sell the whole thing, a complete day trade, the whole lot. My PLAB shares are taking a hit after weak earnings, barely beating expectations. Logan Pizza. Shall we have a quick look at it for you? PLAB. P-L-A-B. Photronics. Yeah, I didn't like this one when you showed it me yesterday. Let's have a quick look. Oh dear. That is a drop today. Pre-market, 13%. That was the earnings yesterday, right? They beat They beat expectations though. Oh, I see, by not as much. Look, in recent times, they beat it by a great deal more. Oh, I see why. But you know, at the end of the day, they're making money. Unlike a lot of other companies, they're making money. That's still a good thing by my book. You know, they're making money, which isn't a bad thing. And they beat it. They beat their expectations. Not by much, I agree, but I think that's overselling. I think that's going to come back up. If you like the stock, I think that is definitely. They've been punished here. Photronics have been punished. I think this is a good buy. There you go. I'm saying this is a good buy now. With seeing how earnings goes and seeing that so many companies aren't making any money that have a reasonable position, from a company that is making money, that is beating expectations every single time, that is moving up, that has increased its profits, I would say, you know, that's a buy. That's an overreaction. I would say today, Logan Pizza, you're going to see some growth there. I think you're going to see some growth there. I think that's a good buy. I do. 1911. I really do. I think there's something in that. Volume today is 1.93. Average is 1.12. This could be a day trade, guys. I'm looking at this, thinking that's a reasonable earnings. Photronics. It was down 16, 12. It's bounced up a bit. I wonder if it's worth Bed Bath and Beyond. Don't be daft. That's complete speculation, gambling. Don't get involved in that. Did you have piano lessons? Yes, I did. I had piano lessons from when I was 4 years old. I wouldn't get involved in Bed Bath and Beyond. Bed Bath and Beyond is a joke. It's going to go bankrupt. You can lose all your money. I wouldn't touch it. And to the moon is a silly phrase. It's not a real financial phrase. It's not even. It's just people on Reddit playing with numbers. I think it's silly. But Photronics is making money. I'll have to lower my averages then. I think it's a good day trade for me. I'm not really interested in the stock, but I haven't really got any money to invest right now. I could, but it would be a day trade. If I did it, it'd be a day trade. We bounced off 1773. I think if you'd bought it this morning, if you'd bought it this morning at 16.5, down 18.16, you might have been, you'd have been in a safe position. I think. What's the all-time low? 12. It's been low as 12 as well. It can go lower. It can go lower. Yeah. But I think that's been treated unfairly. What do you think? What does everybody else think? Anybody else think that's worth a day trade? Set a limit order, a trailing stop order. I mean, 12% is a drop, but it's had a 17%. It expected earnings to be bad. I agree. A stop trading loss. Over the month, it's down. It was quite stable until the earnings, though relatively in line with everything else. Over the last 3 months, bounced back with everything else. I think I'm going to keep it open for a minute. I think possibly that's worth a day trade and it's worth a stop trail order. So buy it, set a small percentage, and then trail it up. You might. But I mean, I'm just trying to look at it. It does have some peaks and troughs. It does have some volatility, which is what you need. But it is trending down, though. Anyway, I'll keep my eye open. I'll keep my eye open for it. We'll come back to that nearer the bell. Logan Pete's is interested in it. Right, if you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell. Let me go and check over on volume today. Did we get anybody come in? It doesn't look like it. It's a music channel. I wouldn't have thought would get anybody come in from volume, but you never know. You never know. I've got followers from my music days over there. But anyway, we shall see. It's very early in the morning for volume. Musicians aren't out of bed yet. And maybe fans of musicians aren't out of bed either. Anyway. The S&P's falling down. If you've just tuned in, let me just check a minute how many I've got with me. 23. We are quiet. On days like this, the markets are the shows are quieter. I can see that. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let me know you're with me. Got 15 minutes to go. And we've got 23 watching and 16 likes. So we should have at least 20 likes. So we put Mr. Minimi on the screen. 1 minute timer. Here we go. We want 20 likes in the next 1 minute. Said a chiggy 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 pow pow. Said a chiggy 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 pow pow. Would the real Satoshi stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Will the real Satoshi stand up? Nakamoto. 39 seconds to go. We got. Oh, look at that. Absolutely. Do you guys wait for the song or what? Unbelievable. It's like. Yeah, we're waiting for the song. You do the song, we like the video. Is that what it's all about? Chiggy, 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 pow, pow. Anne Lee is over there, one of my Luca badge owners. Let me bring Anne Lee up. Welcome. She's on TikTok. She's got one of my badges. She's one of my subscribers. And I really appreciate you very much indeed. If anything I can do to promote your channel, let me put her on the screen. Here we go. There's Anne Lee. See, Anne Lee? Anne Lee, you're on YouTube right now and Facebook and Twitch and Volume and the whole world. There you go. There's you. Let's see you. There. There's Anne Lee, one of my subscribers over there on TikTok. Appreciate all of my family that support me. Rich people, I think, deep down enjoy watching us suffer. They got nothing else to live for since they have everything. You think that's what's going on? Ion Condor? You think that's what's going on? We're discussing this morning. What do you think? Photronics, a day trade? I think it's being heavily punished for its earnings. It actually is making money. Unlike a lot of companies, it's making money. It increased it. It beats expectations, not by its normal amount that it beats it, but you know, I think that's good. I think it was definitely if you could have got it this morning on the lowest point of 1816. That's another 4% lower than it is now. I think you'd had a good chance of making money there. Microsoft, a buy on the dip. Let's have a look. Microsoft. Let's go to Microsoft. Let's have a look. Is it on a dip? I'm up 3.5%. I wouldn't buy any more. I've already bought on this dip. So James, I've already bought on this dip. I'm already in. I'm up 3.5%. It's got a little dividend as well. Absolutely, you should own Microsoft. Absolutely. I've got $2 dividend now. Don't laugh. $2 in my books. $2. I'll take it all day long. I'll take $2. I've got no issue with that whatsoever. $2. I'll take it. Anyway, I'll take the $2. But Microsoft, it's down this week. But I'm already in, so I'm not buying anymore. Dividends sweeping. Dividends. Yeah, I've got Rio Tinto. Someone just mentioned Rio Tinto. Let me show you. This is my Rio Tinto. I'll bring it up for you now. I've got $109. It's my best ever dividend payout, which I'm excited about. Remember, this show is all about every man, all right? Not just the richest man, not just the man with the most money. It's about everybody, okay? It's all about percentages. Whether you've got $10 to invest or $1 million to invest, doesn't matter. It's all about the averages. If you're up 10%, you're up 10%. That's it. It's all that matters. Yeah, here it is. Rio Tinto. Here's my position. And we are down 1.59 today. And got $109. You see it on the screen there, look? $109.26. I'm not buying it unless it goes lower. It's not bad, though. Over the week, it's the lowest it's been for a week, lowest it's been for a month. Well, it's been as low as 57, so it's been a bit lower than this during the month. But this is a point when you re-enter, no question about it. No question about it. This is a time to accumulate. But I'm up 1.98. So I'd like to get it cheaper if I could. My targets now are buy when I can buy it for less than I've ever paid before. And it isn't that low yet. So I don't want to buy any more just yet. We are watching Photronics, considering a day trade. I try not to be that guy, but sometimes you got to wonder, man. High on Condor, I know. I think the markets are tough right now. I think everyone's having a really hard time. You can tell the shows are quieter. You know, people are less enthusiastic right now. You know, on green days, really, great green days, we're really busy. On red days, when there's volatility, we're busy. But when the markets don't have much to do, everyone's on summer holidays or taking a break. Of course, we never take a break here on the Day Trader, so there you go. But, that's what happens. Anyway, Rio Tinto. S&P is falling. I started up this morning, still falling back. Virgin Galactic, 606. We got 10 minutes to go before the bell goes. Virgin Orbit's flat. Over there on volume, did we get anybody in? No, I think, you know what I think? It's for musicians, and they probably won't be interested in my content. But anyway, nice to have you here. If anybody on volume pops in and says hello, be good to see you. I used to play over there and do my music there. So I was interested to see if anybody would be interested in my day trading. Anyway, let's see if we can pick up a couple of subscribers today. Let's have a quick look. When we get to 5,000, of course, it's a big day. We're going to have Greg Dickerson on our show. He's a successful YouTuber with like 54,000 subscribers. But we have to get to 5,000 to do that. That's our little target. He said, I'll come back on your show when you get 5,000 subscribers. That's good for him as well, though, right? Because we're growing, so we can give him some subscribers as well. There you go. Opinion on Polestar. Polestar, all right, well, here's my opinion on Polestar. I've got Polestar. I made the mistake of holding it after the merger. Experience tells me that as you lead up to a merger, just as it goes and becomes, it becomes the stock it was born to be, if you like, then just before it pops, and then it drops. It's like an IPO. Think of it like an IPO. IPOs always get exciting the first couple of days and then they fall off. Didn't used to be like that, but that's how it's been over the last year or so. Polestar, great company, got a lot of potential. EVs, I'm all into EVs anyway, so I love EVs, but I bought it at the wrong point. It rose from the merger, and then it just tanked. I should have sold it. I should have sold it when it was merging, made my profit, and bought it back. It's not a merger. It was a merger. It's not a merger now, but it was. Taste of Hawaii. What do you mean it wasn't a merger? It was a merger. It was, what was the, can anybody remind me the name of the SPAC? What was it? GS, GWS, G something like that. I forget what it was prior to Polestar. What was it? It was a SPAC and then it became Polestar. Can you remind me what it was? I can't remember now, top of my head. GWS, something like that. Anyway, and then it became Polestar. And it dropped, and I'm down 24%. This is my position right now. I'm holding it, but it's down. I'm not adding any more to it because I've got enough invested in EVs. I'm not buying the dip because it might be down there for a long time. I'm just waiting for it to come back up again. Anyway, Apple, Robinhood up 0.64. Stay away from SPACs. Yeah, but remember, Robinhood, sorry, not Robinhood, Virgin Galactic was a SPAC, you know, and so was Virgin Orbit. Oh, no, I'm not sure about Virgin Orbit, actually, but I know Virgin Galactic was. Anyway, that's why so many people are against, one of the reasons why everybody's against, so many people are against Virgin Galactic, right? When they drop below 10, they do these mergers so they don't have to kill it. That's what Church of Logic is saying. When they drop below 10, they do these mergers so they don't have to kill it. Can anybody remind me what Polestar was before Polestar, before it merged? It keeps going down, great price. The Jewish banker, the Taste of Rawai, says it was not a merger. Well, it was, but let me know what the name was. Can you remember? Anyway. Arrival, Amazon. Amazon's 0.99. Apple up is rising. Robinhood. Robinhood is now down 3%. Anybody interested in buying some more Robinhood? I love the app. I love the system, but it's not making any money right now. But it's got plenty of money in the bank. I'd like to get more McDonald's, but it hasn't gone low enough for me yet. Coca-Cola, it's flat. Always buy a bit more Coke when it goes below my price. And I've got my limit order buys. Really, really get greedy when you set limit orders. You know, set them like 10, 20% low. I mean, you may never get it, but it's like a Christmas gift if you do. Because these are companies that are never going to go away, right? These are solid companies. Google. We've got 5 minutes to go before the market opens. Microsoft. I've got 1.2 is enough. I'm happy with that. Meta. SoFi. Down 3.6% today. IonQ up 16%. IonQ doing really, really nicely now. Now, you might say, if you're really bullish on IonQ, why have you only got 66 shares? But this is a stock that can 10x. So I could have 66 shares at $60 a share. That could really happen. So I don't need to buy too much. Fishing strategy, pals. Fishing strategy pay says follow back fast. A great dividend also. A great AGNC. I thought you were talking about Polestar then for a minute. I thought there's no dividend on Polestar. Anyway, Rolls-Royce had a massive pop the other day, 10%. Or in fact, more than that, 13%. 4 minutes to go before the bell goes. Welcome our guests around the world. Welcome to all of you. Lovely to have you here. If you'd like to follow me on Reddit, I have a bit to say on Reddit. Here is my Reddit channel in the... In fact, that's my one of my groups. I'm going to invite you to follow my actual profile. Myself. Here we go. Let me give you this. I've just started this. Have I got any followers yet? Where does it say how many followers I've got? Where does it say? I don't know where it says. No idea where it says. Anyway, I want to see who's going to be my first follower on Reddit. There's my actual account. That's actually me. There you go. I'll give it 3 times. The FTSE today was doing well this morning until the US woke up. Yeah, we ruined it. Sorry about that, mate. We got 2 minutes to go. Here we go. Let's get ready for the lightning round. Lightning round's coming up. All right. We got 2 minutes to go. Let's take a 10-second break, and then we got the lightning round. Are you ready for the excitement and all the fun of the fair? Here we go. And we're back with you. There we go. Right, minute and a half to go. And we're about to get excited with the lightning round. If you just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, give me a thumbs up. Let's go. Let's see all our stocks, see how everything moves. How does the Artemis 1 launch delay affect space sentiment? I wouldn't have thought anything like that is good. I agree, Dennis. I think it has an effect. Any positive news about space is a good commercial at the end of the day. It puts belief into the stock. Gores Guggenheim, that's it. Thank you. Gores Guggenheim. I remember now. Thank you very much indeed. What was the ticker symbol? Do you remember? Yeah, I've got you working. Oh, minute to go now. Here we go. Countdown time. Here we go. Get ready for the lightning round. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Polestar complete SPAC merger. There we go. According to the Taste of Hawaii, it was not a SPAC, it was not a merger. He was laughing at me. Well, it is. The Church of Logic has pointed it out on the screen. It was a merger. It was Gores Guggenheim. Ticker symbol was PSNY. There we go. Months after initially announcing plans to combine. Yeah, there we go. I knew it was a merger. Right, here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ring the bell. We're off to the races. Here we go. Let's go through our stocks. This is the lightning round, and let's see what happens on the markets right now. Here we go. Let's see who wins. Who comes our top stock? So starting on the starting line now, we've got Photronics gone down 14.38. Is this a day trade today? 14.38. Rio Tinto is down 1.52. The S&P is 0.33, but slowly moving up now. Virgin Galactic has just popped 3.18. 2.98, a big pop there this morning on the bell. We're up 0.91. Very nice, but falling back. So Virgin Galactic goes into the lead right now, up 2.42. Virgin Orbit up 1.12, still down out of the money at the moment. Tesla is up 0.74, but falling back, but trying to recover now. Rivian is also a top stock today, up 1.98. I'm up 23% now. Rivian looking very nice indeed. Lucid down 2.67, an opportunity to buy here perhaps. Lower your averages. And Polestar is up 1.37 a day, but falling back, down 24% overall. Arrival is up 2.63 today, having a bit of a bounce back, but still algo trading. Amazon is up 1.19 today, looking good. Apple is up 0.65 with the new iPhone round the corner. Robinhood bouncing here, up at 1.92. As we now move round the final corner, McDonald's is up 0.18. We've now got Coca-Cola is down 0.27. Is this now an entry point today? Down 0.24. Johnson & Johnson is down 0.31. We're down 3.4% right now. Going back to Virgin Galactic is still holding at 2.68. Moving back to Google. Google is up 0.48 right now, but falling. Microsoft is up 0.48, but falling. Meta is up 0.8 and rising. SoFi is up 0.75, but falling back. IonQ is up 0.16, 0.18, now falling, but we are up 14% and holding. PayPal is up 1.12. Rolls-Royce is up up. No, it's down. It's up. It's down. It's up. It's down. Look at that for algo trading. Walmart is up 0.29 as we come on to the final straight now. Target is up 0.59. It's up 0.39. And Tesco is up 0.11. And Canoe is down 2% this morning. Going back to our potential day trade, Photronics on the bell has dropped. Virgin Galactic is holding up now at 2.46. Is Virgin Galactic our top stock, with Canoe coming in last at 1.59. Moving on now to our crypto. Just before we do, Ginkgo Bioworks 0.19. On the line now, Enphase Energy's up 1.78. Looking very, very good indeed. Bitcoin SV is down 0.24. Ethereum is down 0.3. Waiting for the merge, sorry. And Ethereum is down 0.2. Oh, it's flat right now. And it looks to me like the winner on the line. It's a photo finish. And it looks like we have Virgin Galactic. Virgin Galactic is up today, and I've just lost the feed for Virgin Galactic. I'll get it back in a second. We've just lost Virgin Galactic, but I think Virgin Galactic is the winner today with the biggest bounce. We are getting a glitch. There we go. Let's get it back on. Let's bring Virgin Galactic back into play. Sorry about that, but right on the line, it looks like Virgin Galactic was our winner this morning. Photo Labs, yes. That's why I held back. It did see a lower. Oh, it's going lower. It's going considerably lower. Okay. The markets don't like it. There we go. Virgin Galactic, as I called it, the biggest play today, up 3%. Very, very nice. This is why Virgin Galactic is such an important part of my portfolio. It really, really is. Such an important part of my portfolio. And so much so, you know what I'm going to say. I'm going to say I need to make a video on this one. So we are at 51 minutes. 51 minutes. 51 mins. SPCE. And I've got some news for Virgin Galactic, which I can share with you this morning, actually. And it's on Reddit. No, it's not. It's on LinkedIn. LinkedIn this morning. Jobs. Let me share it with you. Okay. Assistant Crew Chief. Okay. Here we go. Okay, let's have a look at this one right now. So we'll make a quick video on Virgin Galactic. Go to my production screen, and we'll do this right now. Make a video for later. This is very important. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Virgin Galactic, ticker symbol SPCE. Is popped up today higher than any of my other stocks. We just did the lightning round live on the Day Trader. Click here if you want to join us live, by the way. And don't forget, smash the like button. I'm going to tell you some great news about Virgin Galactic right now. If you've not yet smashed the like button, smash the like button. And there he is. That's the Mr. Mini-Me. But why is Virgin Galactic gone up today? Looking very, very nice. Very, very excited. Well, Virgin Galactic, a good reason today, and I'll share it with you. It's up more than any other stock in my portfolio this morning. But the reason could be this. Let's go over to my sources. Oh, yes, I have secret sources. Secret source on my sausages is tomato sauce. But my secret source for Virgin Galactic is this information here. Assistant Crew Chief. Plenty of jobs being posted today. Virgin Galactic is recruiting again. It's upped its recruiting rate again. I keep close eye on who they're recruiting, and I'm actually wouldn't mind a job myself. If they said I could do it from my Day Trader studio, I'd be interested. But a lot of action going on. Now, a lot of people are a little bit fearful of Virgin Galactic, but over my overall portfolio, this stock is is outperforming anything else right now. In fact, we're not even in a bear market rally anymore. The bear market rally has died. The markets are pretty stagnated, but Virgin Galactic has popped up today. This is live as I'm bringing it to you now, and a lot of stuff going on at Virgin Galactic. Now, a lot of people are not really familiar or paying much attention to this kind of news, but this is the sort of news that I like. I'm not interested in people ranting and raving and pumping and dumping and all the rest of it. I'm interested in solid foundational information, stuff to do with building the company. And we know there's building work going on the hotels. We know they've got plenty of money in the bank. We know Virgin Galactic has sold its tickets. We know everything's fine. This is what you want. You don't want drama. You don't want drama in the stock. But what you do want to see is the stock beating the competition. And right now, I'm making more money percentage-wise on Virgin Galactic than I am on any of my other stocks. So I am very happy to hold this. So there we go. Virgin Galactic, the news this morning is more jobs being posted and filled on Virgin Galactic. Join us live every day here on The Day Trader as we bring you the breaking news. Click here and that will take you to all my live events and live shows. All the links are above this. We go live nearly 10 hours a day on multiple platforms, but mainly here on YouTube. Take care of yourselves and each other. Let's do a thumbs up. Let's get rid of the ticker a minute. There we go. Okay, that'll do. Breaking news here on The Day Trader. Let's go through the rest of our portfolio. Made my quick buck from 585 shares I bought on Monday. Did you just sell it, did you? Did you take some profits? Very good. Plab is dropping. This is why I didn't pull the pin. I waited. I waited. It's been lower. Do you know, I think this is overselling. I really do. The company is growing. The company is making money. So many. In fact, do you know, I think, that company, that deserves a video. Yeah, If Logan Pizza, I'll do this for you. You might want to give me a super chat because I'm going to promote your favorite stock here, and I'm going to promote it. I'm going to promote it. All right. I think it deserves it. I think it deserves it. I really do. Let's have a little look. Right. I am going to promote this stock because I think it deserves it. It's being oversold this morning. Right, what time are we? 57 minutes. You watch. If I talk about the stock, it will go up. Once the video goes out in about 2 hours' time. You watch. You might want to buy some now. Yeah, only sold the news. I was planning to trade. I'm still holding the majority of my space. Ah, very good. Fantastic. Logan Pizza. There you go. Look. People love to sell it. I don't know why. There you go. Hey, I understand that, mate. There we go. We got a little tip. I'm going to do this for Logan Pizza. All right, it's the least I could do. I'll put this out on all my platforms, and you watch. The stock will rise this afternoon. Okay, let's have a little look. All right. Breaking news here on The Day Trader. Photronics. Oh, we just received a small super chat, just as I mentioned that live on the show. We always make our videos during a live show. People selling off. In fact, that was perfect timing from one of our investors here for Photronics. Ticker symbol, can't get it out today. PLAB. I'm going to tell you why I think you should buy this stock right now. But before I do, smash the like button if you like the video. Because you know what? If you like the video, it's been proven. If you like the video, I always make more money. We always make more money. The stocks always go up. Let's have a look at PLAB. Photronics today and why I think this could be worth an investment. This is my overall portfolio right now. While you're watching this, make sure that you click the subscribe button. That's coming up above my head. There you go. And ring the bell. We go live all the time. Right now, we're pretty flat. The bear market rally, the bear market rally, because we are in a bear market. The bear market rally is pretty much over. Some of my stocks are doing pretty well, and Virgin Galactic, by the way, is probably doing the best. But if we go over now to Photronics, I think right now at this point it's worth a possible trade, and in fact I might do it live now on the show. Here we go. Let's go to Photronics right now, and I'm just going to set a marker share. I'm going to set a marker share there by why I think that this could be worth. There we go. Review. I'm going to hold it there a second. I'm only going to buy a small amount. I'm waiting for it, and I'm going to tell you now why I think this could be worth. Yeah, the bear market is still here. We're getting live comments from everybody now. I think this is why I think Photronics could be worth a buy-in. So I'm just waiting now. Just a second. I'm only going to buy 10 to mark as what I call a marker share at this stage. Get ready. There we go. Buy. Done. I just marked down 10 shares of Photronics. There we go. 17.59 is my average. I'll come back and look at that in a minute. But why I think that this stock is worth looking at is for this reason. If I go over to, first of all, the overall portfolio of what all my stocks are doing, we're in a bear market, and the bear market rally is over. But look at this. If we look at Photronics closer, I'll take a closer look at it if I get into this screen here. Last night was its earnings. If we scroll down and we look at it, a lot of companies right now that are doing well aren't making any money. This company, however, is making money, and it is consistently grown. It's never had one earnings where it's gone backwards. This earnings wasn't possibly as the same growth that we've had before, but nevertheless moving in the right direction. And it still beat expectations, and I think we are being a little pessimistic on this stock. I think we're beating it up a little bit too much. It expected to make 50 cents a share, made 51. Now, I know that isn't very exciting. But, however, it is making money. It did beat earnings. It just wasn't perhaps as good as perhaps some people might hope. But Photronics, it's certainly an industry we should all be involved in. Photronics manufactures photo masks with high-precision photographic quartz or glass plates containing microscopic images of electronic circuits. Anything to do with this sector is the future, right? It manufactures semiconductors and flat panel displays and is used as masters to transfer circuit patterns onto semiconductor wafers and FPD substrates. All this stuff is the future. And this company has consistently made money. And we know that the government, the US government, are putting money into the chips industry. So all of this stuff is good. I think this is an overreaction, and I think this is the opportunity for me to buy this morning. Let's carry on reading it. The company manufacturing facilities, which are located in Taiwan, Korea, the United States and Europe. Photronics was founded by Konstantin S. Makroskostas in 1969. I like the fact it's been around for a while, and it's headquartered in Brookfield, CT. There we go. Let's have a look at the stats for the company. It's opened at 2121. It's got an average volume of 1.12. Volume is up today. Volume is up because it's selling. I think this could be a time to add to a position. I do. The low is 1730. The 52-week low is 1218. So it's been lower. There's no dividend with this stock. What about the news? Have we got any news that we can look into? Photronics shares fall on dim Q4 forecast. Remember, it's not about the earnings. It's about what they're projecting going forward. So the projections may have not looked very promising last night. clocks 29% revenue growth in Q3. That is still respectable. That is still respectable. I don't see a major problem with this. I think this is overselling. I think there's an opportunity here to buy. I don't know what you think, but I've just picked up some. We are losing a bit this morning. The overall markets, though, if we go back to my main portfolio, are down this morning. This is my main portfolio. It's losing this morning. We are in a bear market. We are in a time of inflation, but the chip industry is what you want to be in. And I think a chip company that is actually making money like Photronics is, earnings is okay. It's moving in the right direction. I think this today is gold. We shouldn't be ignoring this, but I think there's a lot of negativity. I see it in Virgin Galactic all the time, the stock I absolutely love, but there you go. So I hope you've smashed the like button, because when you smash the like button, always happens, the stocks go up. I don't know why it is, it just does. So there you go. What do you think? Are you in Photronics? Is this one for you? I've just bought a small position. I'm down 0.49. And what I do is I set a marker and then I watch it and then I buy it every sort of 3 or 4% at first until we reach a bottom, and then I kind of leave it and watch where it goes. There we go. We're getting some comments live in here. What do you think about this stock? I can bring your comments up on the screen if you want to share your comments, everybody. Let's have a look. Have we got anybody that wants to share a comment on it this morning? Iron Condor saying, yeah, that's different from Arrival. Very, very different. That's good. There we go. So this was recorded during a live show. If you click up here, that will take you to the live shows. We're live nearly all the time on the Day Trader, Monday to Friday, nearly 10 hours a day it seems. But Photronics, are you in? I've just set down a small marker share, and you might watch me do it now. Actually, we're down 20% today. When we get days like this often presents an opportunity. So I'm down 1.35. We're watching it free fall at the moment. I might set another. Let me go back to my trading screen. I might actually put another buy in here. Let's have a quick look. I might put another buy in down 1.4. Because if you're going to be into a stock, it's got to be the right balance for my portfolio. I'm seeing now that the general market is coming up. If we look over here, you'll see the general market is coming up. We've had our morning sell-off. We're starting to improve. I do predict a green day today, and we are green. 1.52. I'm going to add another 10. Now I'm down 1.5%. Review. Watch it and just see if we get one more turn down. I will hold. If I see the smallest little blip up, let's go back to my trading screen so you can see me doing this live. This is a new position we've just entered this morning. 1729. Are we about to go up again? Slowing down. My average is 1759. 1730, 1728. Okay, it's falling again. As soon as we get it starts to hold, I will grab another 1726. Still falling. I'm down nearly 2%. There we go. 1725. Once I reach 1721, now on a 2.25. Okay, momentum is picking up, so we're going to wait. We're going to wait. We're watching it closely, and when momentum slows down, We could go over to a chart for this, but I'm not a chart reader. I do understand charts and I use them off air, but I don't tend to trade with them because they only reflect the past. They don't reflect the future. I'm just watching to see when the momentum slows down and I can pick up a 2% discount. Seeming to slow down now. It might continue, but I could add more to my position. This will not be my overall position. A stock like this I would bring up to about 1% of my portfolio, something like that. So I'm only at 0.25% right now. So my allocation is available. We're over 2% now. Okay. I will buy another 10 shares there. There we go. I've lowered my average now to down 0.96. There we go. And I'll keep watching it. So I'll do a follow-up with this video later on perhaps, and we'll see how this stock goes. But there we go. So very interesting. We can see the general market is trying to push up. So there we go. Photronics. Join us live back here on the Day Trader, and we'll see how this stock ends up. Photronics. I think it's oversold. I think there's a potential here. Join us later here on the Day Trader. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a quick thumbnail of the stock. What shall we do for Photronics? Let's have a look. Photronics. Let's have a look. I might just use... No, I don't want that. I'm gonna leave it there. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna do my usual thumbs up because I think it's an opportunity, right? Okay, here we go. Okay, there we go. There's my thoughts on it. Okay, let's have a little look. Seems like a good day coming. I'm only 1.72. Let's see where this goes. I put a limit order in at 17. Church of Logic. Yeah, still going down, right? People are buying Nvidia. Do you think it's pointless? I wouldn't buy Nvidia right now. Oh, Real Ray, our birthday boy's back from yesterday. 17.05. Down another 2%. We'll go back to our trading screen and see what we'll do with this. What does everybody feel about Photronics? What's the... is there any... No, there's no analysis on it. I'm surprised by that. 1.34 billion. I love the fact when a company's been around for a long time. How are we doing, trading family? Shad! Just bought at 7.15. There we go. Shad. It's great to have you with me. I've got your... Finally, I've been waiting for you to come back. Finally, just so I can do this. Are you ready? Just so I'm joining in on this with you, Martin. Are you doing it as well? There we go. If we all buy it, the stock will go up, right? The stock will go up if we all buy it. Let's have a look. Starting with 20 at least. Yeah, there you go. Let's have a little look. I think it's overselling. I do. So here we go. I want to bring this in. Look, Shad. How are you? Here we are. Here is my mate Shad with his mug. He won this the other day for being the first winner on, was it, what was it called? The first winner on Twitch, wasn't it? Twitch, I think the first subscriber on Twitch, he won the mug. Brilliant, there he is, there's Shad. Brilliant. I'm going to reverse those and put them this side. In fact, look, let me do it this time. Let me do it right now, look. I don't know why I've been struggling. That should be there. It's easier if I do it there. I don't know why I didn't do it. There we go. See, I look that way all the time. Shad. Is that better or what? That's better, right? There you go. I like that better. Right. Twitch winner. Nice pick. It's a very nice pick. You're absolutely right. Ion Condors joining in with me. Photronics is still falling. Let's have a look. I'm down $10 at the moment. We're not seeing any stop to it. That's why you don't go all in at once. I'm here most days, just busy in the background, working anyway. Didn't realise. Anyway, it's lovely to have you here. It really is. We've just done a new investment here on Photronics. I'm just Googling it now. Photronics. Semiconductor manufacturing company. Photronics price target. Where do analysis price target? Where do they see it going? The 3 analysts offering 12 months price targets for Photronics have a medium target of $27 with a high estimate of 30 and a lower 26. There. Is it IPG? Oh no, Photronics should have put 16. There we go. Yeah, but guys, let's just keep getting this is ridiculous. Selling off like this. Semiconductors is absolutely the future, and this company's making money. And it's been around for a long time. It's been around since 1962 as a price target. This is overselling. I think this is an opportunity. I'm going to keep picking them up. I'm down another 3%. I'm going to go, what am I up to now? 10 shares. Just bought 20. There you go. We're all picking it up now. This is overselling. Overselling. If we all buy this, the stock will go up. Right. My average is 17.17 now. On a day when it's down 22%, I'm down 1%. I like that. Don't you? A week, a month, 3 months. Live aboard Sailor just subscribed. Thank you very much indeed. Look at that over the year. Look at that over the year. It's had good growth until now. Limit order 1650. I don't know. I can't see this keep going like this. Let me read into it. Let me get more in. Let me get more on this. Yeah, look at it now. 17. I'll keep this for 30 days and see. Yeah. Overselling. A perfect example of overselling. I'm going to make an up. I think this is going to trend later, so I'm going to do another video. This was brought to us this morning by who was it brought to? Let me just scroll up. Logan Pizza. Logan Pizza will be loving this because this is one of his biggest positions, and we're going to pump the stock for you, mate. I love it. People power. People power. Subscribe, ring the bell. Let us know you're here. Oh, I need to run a quick commercial break, bring everybody up to date, and then we're going to do a follow-up video of this because I see it making money from here. Let's have a look. Right back in 10 seconds. This got to be overreaction. Yes, I agree. I agree. It's got to be an overreaction. And that's what you get often. It happens, doesn't it? Right. Increase from the last 1689. Okay. 1717, 1690. Right. Let's do a follow-up video. I think this is going to trend today. 1 hour 20. You all right, Leah? One hour 20. Photo. Okay. Logan Pizza. Do you like this? It's 25% of Logan Pizza's portfolio. So he'll be quite excited about all this, I would imagine. Let's go over to the production screen again. And look at it again. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Here's a follow-up for Photronics. We believe Photronics is being oversold today. The earnings was okay. Remember, it's not about the earnings, it's about the forward thinking of the company, the projections. But this industry is where it's at right now. Semiconductors with EVs and the future of technology is. And it's been around for a long time. We're doing more research into it. I've just bought into it this morning and I've been buying the dip, and I feel that this is incredibly oversold this morning. The expectation, the earnings, they keep increasing profits, they keep growing, and I don't know why everyone is sold. And we're doing some more research this morning. We're looking into Photronics. We have bought a position. We keep buying the dip as it goes down. It's straight down at the moment, and I am looking to buy more. I don't see how this can get much lower. Let's go over to this screen here, and I'll share with you an analysis report here that was done, and 3 analysts offering 12 months price forecasts for Photronics have a medium target of $27, and we're at 16 now. And I've been buying it live on the show. I'm down another 4% right now, but it's down 24% right now. I keep buying and increasing my position as it goes lower. I think this is worth doing. So there we go. It's still falling. Let's go back to the main position now. On Photronics, 1652. A number of my team here on YouTube are actually buying this stock this morning as it falls down. I think that this is overreaction. Easy C has just come up with a question. What site are you using for this information? Easy C. This is, well, I'm trading live on Robinhood. This is the price right now, and I was just looking at CNN for the price target, money.cnn.com, and I feel that this is overselling. The earnings was okay, 1658. Let's have a quick look. I've now got a position of 1.16. It's slightly over. Thank you for the follow over there on Twitch. CNN, thank you. Any more information, share it with us. This is live. We're making a video as we do this live. Smash the like button. That'll put the stock price up. There's been a poor forward forecast. I know, and that's the problem. The forecast going forward are poor. But having said that, I think that is a global issue, not a company issue. The company have been around since 1962. All the analysts are saying that this is a good stock, and it's got a good future, and they're looking at a mean of $27. So I think, oh, there we go. It's starting to tick up this point. This often catches me out, though. Let's go back to the main trading screen, and let's see if I can add to my position. Tristan Tales has posted a link for us over on Twitch, and I'll bring that up in a second. Thank you very much indeed. 1661, still falling. I've been adding my position as it's been falling. We're bringing some breaking news as we do this. We are trading this live. We've got some information here from Benziga. Okay, that's our biggest tick of the day. Okay, I've got an average now of 1.892. My position is growing quickly. That link you gave me doesn't work, I'm afraid. If you could, that Benziga link you gave me on Twitch doesn't seem to work. So if you can send me that link again, it's not working. It's not working. But anyway, we are watching it right now. I think this is oversold. Having a beer and waiting on PLAB to be $16 now. We're getting some new comments here. I think it will drop before the break. We're at 16.69 now. I am down 1.98. I've been buying it on the way down. This is live trading. We're making a video. If you just tuned in, please smash the like button and give us a thumbs up. That would be much appreciated. This is our overall portfolio. We're looking at the markets now, generally dropping off. There we go. We are getting an uptick, 1673. I'm at 1677, 79. I don't think the earnings was that bad. In the current climate, I really don't. Let's go over to our live portfolio and you'll see our position right now. This is our overall market. You can see we are falling down. So the overall markets are down. I think this is the sector. I mean, this sector is what I love. Semiconductors, technology, innovation is my favorite stocks. And I believe that this stock is oversold. And if we go and if we look at it over the last few weeks, if we go back to the trading screen again, in fact, I'll share it on this screen. If we look over here, if we share it with you here, look, over the week, it's down 27%. So I feel down 1.39 is a good entry point. Down 29% on the month. Again, I'm down 1.57. I regard that as a good position. 21% down over the last 3 months. And over the year, we're up 15%. But we've lost all that money. Look at that. I think this is a buy. Well, obviously, I think it's a buy. I've been doing it live. Right, we've got some more breaking news coming from our Twitch audience. We're going to try this link again. And here we go. Brilliant. Thank you very much indeed. We've got some researchers out in the team, out in the field, sending us in information. And let's bring it to you. Should we continue? There we go. I'm only down 1% now. Looking good. This is my overall position. I'm down 0.92, 0.8. There we go. I could be making money on this. This could be a day trade position, or I could hold it at these prices. There we go. It's definitely ticking up now. Let's get this news. Let's have a quick zoom in. What do we see here today from Photronics. Shares fall on dim Q4 forecast. Clocks 29% revenue growth. 29%. I'm sorry, but in a market, in a global, economy where the world is going to mush, we're still projecting 29% growth. I'm sorry, I don't regard that as a bad earnings. I'm sorry. People always expect too much and then sell off when they don't make ridiculous amounts of money. I'm happy with that. Let's have a look. Revenue growth of 29% year on year to 290 million, beating the consensus of 210 million. Right, what's wrong with that? Let's have a look. Integrated circuits revenue grew 37% year on year, 161 million. Flat panel FPD revenue increased 11% year on year. Margin, the gross margin expanded by 1,000 basis points to 38%. The operating margin by what? I mean, that was Q3. See if it breaks the 17. I mean, I don't see that. I don't see this as. I don't see as this is a problem. The global economy is down, and this company is doing all right. Just not as good as everybody expected. Well, I'm sorry, but for me, this is a buy. If you believe in this sector, if you don't believe in this sector, you might not feel so convinced. But I'm in On, as you know, On Semiconductors, and I'm up like, was it 38%, something like that? If I go over to my main trading screen, I'll share with you On. Here's On. Now, On is down today, but I'm up 33%. See, this is another great company. I'm up 33% on this stock. Just down 10-month on forecast. Just down 10 million on forecast. Read the Outlook section. Outlook. Let's have a look. Let's go back to it here. Got more information coming in now. The Outlook. Photronics sees Q4 revenue of 205 million to 215 million versus the consensus of 214 million. Okay, so it's not growing as far. I mean, this is, the company sees EPS of 44 to 52, below the consensus of 53. Again, in the global markets the way they are right now, I don't see this as a terrible thing. I'm sorry, I don't. People expect too much. I think this is a time to accumulate good companies when they are in trouble, when the markets are down, and I don't see this is the time to run away from this sector. For me, I'm in. Obviously, I'm voting with my money. I'm not just saying it. On a day when we're down 23%, I'm down 1.45. I'm happy with that. So I'm in. I don't think I'll add to the position. I think I've got enough now. Otherwise, it would start to become overbalanced on my portfolio. But I'm holding it. This is an update. We had an early video to Photronics. I'm now down 0.92. $11 right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if I set a profit very, very soon. So what I might do, I will assess it. I'll do some more research, and I will assess it, and I might set myself a stop trail loss. So once I can make, let's say, 5%, I will set myself a perhaps 4% trail loss, so I can always guarantee I'm going to make 1% profit, and I'll ride it up from there. I'm thinking that this could go up today. I'm expecting a green day. I think we will have a green day today, and this stock will make some money today. Anyway, there we go. Tristan Tales just quickly says, you should look into Tullow Oil. They have a steep drip with no loss assets. I don't like oil. I don't invest in oil. Doesn't interest me at all. I don't see it as the future. I know we need oil. Even Elon Musk will say that, but I don't believe it's one. It's not. It doesn't interest me. Long-term hold to climb back to company worth. Tristan Tales, thank you for your comments. There we go. This was a live video. I hope you smashed the like button, and I hope, of course, that you gave us a big fat subscribe as well. There's a subscribe across the top of the screen here. Subscribe to the channel, ring the bell. We go live 10 hours a day. Join us live every day on The Day Trader. Take care of yourselves and each other. All right, let's do a thumbs up. There we go. Oh, take away the ticker. There we go. Yeah, do that again. There we go. That's a follow-up to our first video. Let's bring back in the ticker, go back to our main portfolio. And there we go. I think I'm about to make money on the stock. Needs to break 17. Let's go back to it. Here's my live position. There we go. So, Logan Pizza, what do you make of all that? Hopefully, we've promoted your stock. Now, what will happen is, at the end of this broadcast, in about half an hour, I will put this video out. I will put it on my social media. I will put it on my channel, of course, and then it will start to run. And more interest will come into the stock, and we'll be able to increase the stock. There we go. Tristan Tails, he's looking at the chart. You all know I'm not a chart reader. I don't really believe in them. I don't think they tell you anything you need to know. PLAB. But for those of you that do like it, I will bring you the chart up right now and you can peruse it. There we are, 1708. There you go, I'm making money. I'm making money. Great. Well, I was for a second. Let me share with you the chart here. This is the chart position, and you can see where we are today. Let me go on the day position for this stock. Let me change the candlesticks. There you go. You can see what's going on there right now. This is PLAB right now. But I'm more interested in investing in a company that's been around for a long time and investing in, I will research the CEO later and see who the team are. That really is what interests me, who the people are that run the company. But the industry is right. The company continue to make money when other companies are losing money. Their expectations isn't as big as it should have been, but I think today was an opportunity to buy an oversold stock. Anyway, you can make your decision on that. I'm flat right now. So there we go, 1705. Finally, I mean, I didn't buy the very bottom, but I bought my averages here. So I think that's pretty well timed. You can't time the market. I see it that the charts are useful if no fundamental news is controlling the stock. Yeah, I agree with that, Shad. I think you got, that's a fair balance. But, charts just tell you what happened. They don't predict the future, It's like our friend Tristan Tails, was saying, right, it's got to break 17, as if when it breaks 17, it's a guaranteed thing because it's broken that resistance line, so now it's going to go up. The stock doesn't know it's a chart. But the trouble is, where Tristan's right and chart readers are right, other people are investing using charts. So you have to understand people's sentiment. But it's the sentiment of the people you need to understand, not the charts themselves. The charts are just what I can see in the way people act. But there you go. I agree. Semiconductors are a growth stock. I like those, and battery technology companies. Tristan Tails. Just to let you know, by the way, I know you're over on Twitch, but the best, just something you can do, and you might as well, if you use your Amazon Prime /gaming, it's free. If you have Amazon Prime, you can subscribe to me on Twitch, and every month on the first Friday, and the next first Friday of the month is this Friday coming, I do a cash prize draw. and I return the money I've made from my subscribers back to you as a cash prize draw. And we only have 11 subscribers, and 2 of those won't be in the draw because 2 of them are me and my wife. So there's only 9. So you have a 1 in 9 chance, and in fact you probably have a 1 in 4 chance because you have to be in the live show as well. So it makes every bit of sense to subscribe to me using your Amazon Prime Gaming every month. It's completely free, costs you nothing, and you can be in my draw every month. And the more subscribers I get, the more money I can get, the more I can give away. Sounds good, right? Actually follow you on TikTok, but you don't read the comments there because TikTok, I don't know if you can see, the TikTok really isn't the main. The main show is YouTube. This is my YouTube studio, right? And if you look just behind this camera, you'll see in a second. Here you go. See here? This is my phone. This is TikTok. See me on TikTok? Right there. TikTok is looking at this TV screen, which is just here. When I pan back out again, you'll see it. And all it's doing is looking at my YouTube broadcast. Whereas what you're watching on Twitch is my actual YouTube broadcast. It's the far better way. I can't really talk to that many people on TikTok. I try to, but the main audience is here on YouTube. Look, here comes the TV screen, look. This screen here is what TikTok is looking at. All right, but you're watching my actual RTMP broadcast, which is far, far better, right? Anyway. TikTok has more engagement, though. It does. TikTok has more people come through, but the value is YouTube. Because YouTube, I have ad revenue, I have memberships, I grow on Google. You know, the biggest search engine in the world is YouTube and Google. And that's where your business should be. And that's why I'm on YouTube. But I'm also at the same time on Twitter, TikTok, Facebook. I mean, we're on about 20 platforms all at the same time. Today, we're even on a music channel, was invited to be on Volume. We're over there on Volume right now. But we're everywhere. We're everywhere at once. But it all feeds into YouTube. YouTube is the best place to be. TikTok, you get a lot of people just scrolling through looking for 10-second clips. Well, you know, this is a 4 or 5 hour broadcast. I've been streaming on Twitch. Yeah, I'm on Twitch right now. I'm on 20 platforms at the same time. But my biggest ad revenue, my biggest growth by a mile is YouTube. But TikTok is a great place to meet you, introduce you to YouTube. Because the other thing as well is, I can't do a cash giveaway on TikTok. I can't give away my prizes on TikTok. That's all on YouTube. I have a membership program where I support people. I can't do any of that on TikTok. I can't share links on TikTok. You know, TikTok is a great way for you to learn of my YouTube channel. That's what I will say. I don't see the engagement on YouTube. You don't see the engagement on YouTube. I have one of the highest engagement rates on YouTube. More percentage of my audience are members to my channel than nearly any other channel on YouTube, including Mr. Beast, the biggest channels in the world. Nearly every single person in my YouTube channel is a member. Nearly every single person that watches me. And they watch me 2-3 hours every morning and 2-3 hours every night. On TikTok, people watch me for an average of like 30 to 40 seconds. On YouTube, they watch me for 2-3 hours every morning and every evening. And all my premieres and are all members. So you're very wrong there. I appreciate your comments, but you know you are wrong. What are you on Twitch? What channel name? All my information is in the profile. I've got all my links and all my profiles and all my cash giveaways and everything all in the links here in the profile. Anyway. Peter Wilson. This is good. I've got some breaking news here for Peter Wilson. I've just bought Photronics this morning. Photronics has 100% favorable analysis rating on free trade. Fantastic. Peter Wilson, thanks for that. Yeah, I totally think it's oversold. I wasn't in the market this morning, and I bought in, and I've been following it down. It's down 23%, and I'm down 1.5%. I regard that as a win. 100%. So there you go. It just means that everyone is using charts. They are looking at the same thing. So you're all act the same way. Yeah, they all act the same way. And you need to act the opposite way. Because when everybody looks at a chart who has no foresight, no imagination, no belief in the future, they're just greedy people who just don't understand the stock, don't understand the company, just buying it because everybody else is buying it, or selling because everybody else is selling. You do the opposite. And what we've got now, that's a perfect way of explaining it, Shad. What we've got now are hundreds of thousands, millions, I don't know, of people looking at charts saying, Photronics, rubbish, selling it. Well, thank you very much. I've been buying it, so I'll buy it. I'll buy it when you're giving it away. Brilliant. And remember, the only reason a stock goes up or down is because people buy and sell it. It's as simple as that. It's not the value of the stock at all. If everyone sells the stock today, the best company in the world would go to zero. Simple fact. Well, it wouldn't, because people like me and other people would just buy it. So, there we go. Stock market plan. All right, my good man. I switched over to YouTube. I'm here now. There you go. Stock market plan. Much better, see? Right. Can you see the difference? Now, if you look in the chat, now, first of all, you've got a 4K stream. If you change the quality, you can get a 4K stream. You can also see all my different angles. Look, you can get all the different angles and everything else. So this is the front. We've got the back of the studio. This is my TV studio where I've raised over $1 million for our fundraisers. All here live in the show. We've got all the different screens. I'll share all the different screens with you. None of this you can see on TikTok, of course. It's just for a phone. But anyway, there you go. This is the position this morning, what we were buying in. Anyway, if you notice stock market plan, nearly every person, that's a nice setup, my friend. Thank you very much indeed. The reason why it looks like this, it's a TV studio, because I'm the world piano man. I'm a singer. And I have another channel, and we're trying to grow the best YouTube channels in the world, where we give away to more people. We go live 10 hours a day. We raise money for our charities. We support people. We promote people. And what I'm about is working for you. I go live 10 hours a day. I could make more videos that would make me more money, but I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in growing a community. And that's why I told you, my audience, we only started this just over a year ago, 14 months in fact. Nearly everybody in the chat, if you see, is a member. Nearly everyone is a member. And ask them why, they will tell you they get 20 times back what they put in. You ask Zach from Africa. We do fundraisers for him all the time. We do stuff all the time. It's called Development Alert Uganda. It's right above your comment. Here's the invitation to join. We built a membership plan which benefits you, not me. I get a couple of bucks a month less YouTube fees, but it benefits you. I will put you on the homepage of my YouTube channel. If you want to go on the homepage of my YouTube channel, here, I make videos. I manage people. I'm a manager for people's videos, channels, and I make them videos, and I ask all my members during one of my live stream to come out of my show and watch their live videos. I do it for everyone. And that's why my family are dedicated and loyal to my show. That's why they watch me every single day, 2-3 hours in the morning, 2-3 hours at night. No one leaves, and it gets bigger all the time. And anyway, once you join us on, if you become a member, you can also access our Discord and share all your trades. You can even have your own channel if you are a silver member. If you're a bronze member here on The Day Trader, on your birthday, for you or your family, you can have what people pay me $500 for, your very own birthday party during the live show. I'll go back to the piano and I do happy birthday for you. People employ me and pay me to do birthday requests and songs. I do it for you for free as a bronze member for you and your entire family on your birthday. And you get to keep the video. I'll give you copyright so you can have it, and it's yours to keep. And also, as I say, I'll promote you and put you on my Discord channel, and the list goes on and on and on. And also every Friday, I give away the money I make in the video. This is my newsletter. We do a newsletter every Friday. If you want to be in our cash prize draw, we do it through a newsletter, so lazy people don't win it, and scammers and bots don't win it. It's just for real people who want to make money. There is my weekly newsletter, and before you click on it, let me just tell you what you'll see. When you click on it, you will see this link here. You put your email in. This is my website, my secure HTTPS website, so you know it's all secure. You put your email in there, and then what you do is you verify the email. Now, the email will always go into your junk folder at first because it contains the word cash prize draw and free. It does. So there is my newsletter. Here's the email you're looking for. Let me just post it in the chat. It's called thedaytrader@martynlucas.com. There it is. Community engagement is everything. Absolutely. We've been here through tears. We've been here when people have been seriously ill. We've had people dying in hospital. We've had people get margin call. We've had all kinds. Myself in tears one day. Community engagement is everything. In TikTok, most just talk over your head. No attention to the chat. No, that's right. You can't on TikTok. It goes through too quickly. And the people on TikTok are only there for a couple of seconds. It's no point. Andrew Hughes. Tristan Tales is here. Andrew Hughes over from Twitch. Well, thank you very much, Tristan. You were on Twitch a minute ago. I hope you've subscribed to me using your Amazon Prime, because then you get our free draw every single first month of the first Friday of the month. I give away the money I make on subscribers. You might as well. It's free. Do chat. Good morning. One of our members is here. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Got a few guests here. So Andrew is Tristan Trails. Would all my members please welcome all our guests in? We've got Andrew Hughes and Stock Market Plan here this morning. Two guests. They're not members of our channel, but 99% of everybody's watching right now is. That's the way it goes. Nearly everybody's a member if you scroll up and look. Would all our members please welcome them in? My name is Martyn Lucas, World Piano Man. I'm from England, Cornwall in England. And of course, my studio is here in Dallas, Texas. If everyone would put their cities and countries in, welcome our new guests into the show. Right, welcome guys. Photronics, 1685. I'm from Florida. We've got our biggest investor, Muzanella's from Florida. He's our biggest investor. He comes in from time to time, and he's a gold member. He's been a gold member since the very beginning. He's featured on our homepage, and he's one of the biggest investors that we know. Huge contract options investor, and there you go. Lovely to meet you from Florida. Trying to shoot off rocket every other week. Elon Musk and friends. Hang on. The Space Coast, where they're trying to... Yeah, yes, indeed. Wiltshire. Great stuff. I'm from Cornwall. UK 10x trader, started 2000, 2 years ago. Had a few lucky breaks. Yeah, I started at $5,000. My overall let me share with you my overall portfolio. I've done everything live on the show here in front of everyone. Started at $5,000. This is real. This is all my money. The purpose of this channel to keep it real and honest, and the only, real channel is people know exactly. I only have $2,000 in the bank. I have no mortgage, no car loan. This is my entire portfolio. All my money is here in this market, every penny, other than $2,000. And that's why people follow me, because it's real. If it goes to zero, they see me lose everything. But I won't go bankrupt because I don't owe any money, so I'll just have no money left. I started with $500 2 years ago. Congratulations, stock market. Where are you now? I use DeGyro. Find the rates are pretty good. I use Robinhood. We got quite a few people in the UK. Lovely to have you here. When Ameritrade was just Ameritrade, and there was no think or swim. That's why I'm still here. This channel is truly honest and real. Yeah, that's what it's about. It has to be, right, Duchak? He's been here since the very beginning. You'll see Duchak. In fact, he's not been here since the very beginning, because if he was, his badge would turn gold, and it will soon. Actually, I think you go purple at first, then light green, and then gold, and then red. I think you'll be going gold soon, Duchak, won't you? Anyway, if anyone's got a birthday today, let me know. I will celebrate your birthday. And also our new guests. I often say to people, I haven't said it today, I should say it today. If any of our guests just become members, I promise you, 100% promise you, you will get good things happen, and you will go, this is brilliant. I love it. What an investment. Best investment you'll ever make. All my members will tell you that. Zach, anybody else, tell our new guests, should they be a member or not? Houston, Texas. How are you, Houston? One of our guests. How are you this morning? Lovely to have you here. I was here from Rivian IPO, but I'm stingy. Yeah. But you are a member now, and you've been a member ever since, so it's brilliant. I can't wait for you to turn gold. You get more benefits and perks. It's really good. No, 25 years ago, I'm a retired equities trainer, margin clerk, and did some principal bond trades too. No, I just trade my personal account. Oh, okay. Thank you very much. So, let's go through our stocks right now. Virgin Galactic, down to, this is one of my biggest positions, as you all know. I'm going to Virgin Orbit to make a movie in the UK on the 15th of October. Oh, I wanted to ask again today. We're adding to our list. Who are the people that are joining me in England on the 15th of October in Cornwall? And if you're not, would you like to be? It's $50 or £50 in the super chat, and you can be at the beach party and you can be at the hotel in the evening for the entertainment. We're coming from all over the world, and it's a small gathering. We've got Tom doing the DJ, one of our members. We've got our Elton John tribute and Meatloaf tribute act coming. That's Sam, of course, one of our members. And if you want to be there, it's just $50 or $50. And we're making a movie for Virgin Orbit. I'm going to the space station, as you know, and then on to Virgin Galactic next year. And all those of you that back the Kickstarter campaign, it's free for you. Information is in our newsletter. But if anybody's going to Cornwall, 15th of October, let me know. We've got Alicia and Paddy coming from Italy. Me and Leah were coming from Dallas, Texas. Tom's coming from Canterbury. Sam's coming from London somewhere. Real Ray's coming from the north of England. I'm thinking Ali Tisrow and Ali Isles are coming. I haven't confirmed it yet. So if you want to come, let me know. Hi, Martin. I'm back as normal from now. There we go. Seb Dean, one of my top traders. Great to have Seb Dean back in the house. We are family. I got all traders with me. We are family. I got all traders with me. I like it. I like it. Yes, I do live in Dallas, Texas. You're absolutely right. Coming over from Dallas, Texas. Welcome back, Seb. So on Friday, we've got Zach's fundraiser. Next Friday, we've got Tom's and then Queen's. We've got 3 fundraisers coming up where our members get all the money. I don't charge for it. I don't take any commission for it. It's their links on the screen, and I do a concert on my other channel, and I'll be doing that later this Friday. Our first one is for Zach. First one for a while anyway. Seb Dean, it's great to have you back. Seb Dean, you might be interested. We've been buying Photronics this morning. If you're looking for an investment this morning, I have been buying it. I was not in this stock at all. I had no investment in it at all. And it dropped down 22%. It's going sideways now. I have bought it. I'm down just 0.98. This is my entry point now if you want to get in. I've been buying this stock this morning. I've been buying it all the way. I started buying it here all the way down. And I've got 70 shares now. I think it's the semiconductor industry. It's 100% buy rate on free trade. I think it is. The earnings, they're making money. I like it, and we've all been buying it this morning. So I've got 2 videos going out about it later on this afternoon. I think despite the overall markets being down today, which they are, if you look at my portfolio, this is my overall portfolio, this stock is now stabilizing. I think it's a buy. I put my own money to it. I bought 70 shares of it. And there we go. I think Martin, yes, I do live in Dallas. I read an article a few days ago where the Swiss National Bank just bought 33,000 Virgin Galactic shares. Yep, you all know it's my top stock. I'm holding it. Here we go. I've been lowering my averages. 597. I've got 610. Don't need to buy any more yet. Don't need to buy any more. No, absolutely not. Stephen Lowowski. Hi, Andrew. Stock market plan. I am from Palm Bay, Florida. Welcome. Stephen Lewandowski. He's one of our new members. You can tell he's a new member because he's got a lilac badge. When it goes green, it will be a month. Then it will turn gold after 3 months and then red after a year. I'm trying to get stock market plan because I'm sure he's a trader. We'd love his input on Discord. And if he becomes a YouTube member, he'll get all the exclusive content. Oh, by the way, we need 3 more members and we'll start having our exclusive member-only videos, member-only live streams, member-only chats coming in from time to time. So there we go. Another reason why you should be a member. No problem. Why is that company beating down so much? I actually has pretty decent earnings. Yes, I agree. It's people. As we know on this, look at this, look. I'm going to make money on this. Seb Dean, get Photronics quick, mate. This is the time to buy it. I've got it. I'm holding it. I don't follow you. I don't follow how you subscribe from Amazon. What you do, Andrew, is Amazon Prime /gaming. If you /gaming from Amazon Prime, do that. It will say, do you wish to turn on gaming? Do it on a browser. You'll go, yeah, it's free. Like, I don't even know what they ask you. But they have to ask you, do you wish? Yeah. All right. Then what you do is you link your Amazon Prime account, because remember, Amazon Prime own Twitch. You link it to your account. That's all. And it tells you how to do that in Amazon Prime, link to Twitch. And then you subscribe to me and you do it every month. And every month I give away the money to my subscribers. I mean, it's free money, right? Why wouldn't you do it? Anyway, why wouldn't everyone do it? Does anyone here invest in NEO? No, I don't invest in NEO. I don't like Chinese stocks. It's too corrupt and manipulated. I don't like it. And why would you invest in NEO when Tesla is 10 times better? That's my opinion, Houston, Texas. I know you like it. I understand that. But it's not for me. All right. So, Photronics now going sideways. I'm down 1%. I'm not buying any more. I think it's a bargain at this price. I really do. So anyway, let's go through our stocks right now. Don't forget, if it's anyone's birthday today, let me know and I'll do a happy birthday live in the show. We need a very, very quick commercial break. Someone asked me about my T-shirts and mugs. If you want to get yourself a mug, the T-shirts in the chat right now. If you go to there, any size, any color, sent out in your country. Rio Tinto, I like it going down. I want it to go down. Why? Because I've got $109 of free money coming from Rio Tinto as in dividends. So I want it to go down so I can buy more with my dividends. It gets paid on September the 22nd. So I hope it does go down. If everyone sells their shares, it will go down, and then the reinvestment will be worth a lot more. Anyway, no, Houston, but what do you think? I'm interested. Seems like it could do really well to me. I'm sure NEO could do well, of course, but I'd rather put my money in Tesla. That's the only reason. Otherwise, you'd be an EV portfolio, right? You can't be in just all EVs. It'd be pointless, right? Anyway, quick commercial break. I'll see you back in 10 seconds. Oh, from now. There we go. We're back again. Now then, let's have a quick look. See if we gain any subscribers today. See if any of our friends that come over from Twitch and TikTok subscribe to us. You ready? Here it comes. 4682. Hey! They subscribe to me. When we hit 5,000, of course, we're going to have our star guest on the show, Greg Dickerson, with 54,000 subscribers coming on our show. And brilliant stuff. Anyway. Let's get back to Photronics now, down just 0.84. I've got the video going out straight after this video. Let me check, did we get any more views on volume? No, it doesn't look like it. Volume is a music channel, and I put out some content today to see if anybody would be interested, but there we go. You can see me live on volume. I wanted to see if I'd get any viewers, but I didn't think so. Anyway, it was an experiment. It's where I used to do my music shows. Anyway. It was a little test to see what would happen. Right, if you've just tuned in, subscribe, ring the bell, and give me a thumbs up. We're trading live here today, live investment. We've got fundraisers coming up, and Photronics is now going sideways. I'm hoping to make a profit soon. Down just $10. It sounds like a company that's going places. They already present in many countries, but like Martin said, the Chinese market is manipulated, not worth the risk, especially with the CCP, yeah, with Russia. You talking about Russia? CCCP. Remember that? That's the old days, or Chinese. Is that what you mean? Anyway, that's the amount I want. That's the amount I want. What's that? 33,000. I still have to buy more space. 33,000. What do you mean? That's the amount I want. 33,000. Why is the Speaker of the House, Pelosi, not getting into trouble for insider of trade? Yeah. Well, that's a good question. But then you should be in chips, right? If the government's inside trading with chips, why aren't you in chips? Market is taking a beating. Holy moly. Yes, it is. But I see it as an opportunity. Can't rely on stock with the Chinese Communist. Chinese Communist Party. Thank you, CCP. Yeah, I was thinking Russia. Was it CCCP? No, forget what I'm saying. It is China. No, forget what I was saying. I was thinking of. I was getting confused there. I was thinking of the Olympics. The site doesn't matter. Ignore me. I've just made an absolute fool of myself, but don't worry about it. Let's go and look at Ethereum right now. There we go. I told Ethereum would drop. People are all excited about the merger. We know it's going to go up, but as soon as it goes up, when it happens, it will dump. I'm sure everybody will take profits. Bitcoin, 19,000. My next buy-in is at 18,000. I refuse to pay any more. I'm just paying less all the time. CCCP, yeah. I knew there was something. Sorry, yeah. So I wasn't wrong. I wasn't talking daft. I knew there was CCCP. I've seen it somewhere, right? Okay. Virgin Galactic has bombed out again after promising ideal scalping trades here to be had. Yes, indeed. I've made some money scalp trading. You're right there, Jason. You are dead right there. Enphase Energy is moving up again. Nope. It hasn't decided. Ginkgo Bioworks falling down. 10% down now. 10% down now. I've got enough in Ginkgo. Tilray lost its profits today. We were flying high. Everything sold off today. On Look at that, look. Semiconductors. This is at the power of semiconductors. I'm up 30% with On. Photronics, I'm down 1.5% now. I've been buying this dip this morning and entered this market. But on a day like today, we probably won't see any profit. But down 1%, 2%, who cares? Just hold it and have patience. Have patience. But yet we are seeing the markets dump today. 594, 595. The reason why Nancy Pelosi is now getting in trouble for insider trading is because congressmen and women are excused. Oh, the reason why Nancy Pelosi is not getting in trouble, do you mean? Not getting in trouble, are excused from the rule. Most people don't know that. Don't mistake it. I am not a fan. Okay, stop not getting in trouble. That's what I thought. I thought, yeah, it makes sense now. Not getting in trouble is what I meant to say, yes. The reason why Nancy Pelosi is not getting in trouble for insider trading is because congressmen and women are excused from the rule. Most people don't know that. Wow. But don't mistake it. I am not a fan, he said. What are good dividend stocks? Rio Tinto. You want to know what good dividend stocks are? Rio Tinto. And the S&P 500, of course. Because you have growth plus you have good dividends. So S&P 500 and Rio Tinto. Here's our Rio Tinto. And as you can see, I'm getting $109 on 41 stocks. That's all, $41. I've invested $2,500 and I'm getting $109. And I only started investing like a month ago, month and a half, 2 months maybe. So I'm very, very happy with that. But the S&P 500, if you want safety and security, oh, I am down. I said I would never be down again on the S&P. Well, I am down. I am down. There you go. I was wrong. I am down. 1.49. That is the lowest I've been. Three months ago. So it's not low enough for me to go anymore yet. But I said I'd never be down red again on the S&P 500 overall. And I am. I absolutely am. So I was wrong. And I'm surprised by that. But there you go. Live and learn. Keep learning. Virgin Orbit. I've got some buys set in place here. I think we're going to have a green afternoon. I think everything is selling for the afternoon. I'm not picking up these stocks though. I've spent my allocation for the day. Just bought some VU, yeah. Yep. I'm not buying any more until it goes down like 2%. I'm down 0.28. That's not low enough for me. But yeah, safe. VU or SPY, people often ask what's the difference. Same thing. So S&P 500, same. And they go, oh yeah, but they're different prices. Remember, the price is irrelevant. It's all about the percentages. They follow each other exactly. They just started, the ETFs just started at different times. Same expense ratio, same stocks, same everything. It's the same thing. It makes no difference. Some people buy SPY, some people buy VU. Makes no odds. Couldn't care less. Doesn't matter. This is a massive sell-off this morning with legs. The start of your margin. Arnold the Palmer. Arnold the Palmer talks about margin all the time. He's been mentioning margin now for about, 6 months? Arnold the Palmer. He's over on, he watches me on Twitch. He's one of my subscribers, I think. You are a subscriber on Twitch, aren't you? You're in the. Don't forget, this Friday is the free prize draw for everyone that's in on as a subscriber on Twitch. It's for free. I've been burned by margin. I help bought. Yeah. Yeah, I've been margined as well. I know what it's like. Well, I wasn't actually margined technically. Technically I was, technically I wasn't. Let me explain that. I watch it like a hawk, and I could see it was about to happen. And as I got margined, like literally $1, boom, I sold some stocks and I was back out again. So I was margined for a second, but you know, I was back out again in seconds. But there you go. Photronics, it's going sideways now. It doesn't want to give up anymore. I've never been margin call, but I learned the dangers of margin at 19. Yeah, it's horrible. The markets are coming up now. I still have margin, says Arnold Palmer. Virgin Galactic's coming back up. Remember I said this afternoon we're going to have a green day? I think we are. These prices aren't low enough for me to buy even VU, which is my favourite secure stock. I haven't bought these stocks this morning. I've got much. Oh, look at that. We're rising quickly. Yep. We'll have a green afternoon. The free 1,000 no interest on Robin is worth it. Absolutely. Of course it is. Of course it is. Polestar. The thing is as well with margin, you've got to look at it. Robinhood is the lowest interest rate of all. It's like 5% at the moment. There are Schwab's and Ameritrade like over 10, $11%. So it's extremely competitive on the market. And you've got to look at it. Do you expect your stocks to make 5%, more than 5% a year? You're buying stocks now at these prices. In a year from now, we'll look back at these prices and you'd wish you were in the market. So if you've got money, even if you're using margin and you've got a regular income that you can pay off your margin over the next year, it's better to do that and pay it off over the next year and to be in at these prices than wait for a year to have the money you've saved up to enter, because now the prices are higher. I strongly believe margin is good, but in balance. Very often people get overstretched. They get overdone, as I did last time. And very often what happens with the stock market, people overreact. Look at this, look. All this is looking good. Markets are coming up again now. If we look at my overall portfolio, we're getting in fact, we're getting the biggest bounce of the day. If you look at this now, there we go. I'm expecting to see a profit from my Photronics now. With this, I think a profit will come on Photronics. And the question I have to ask is, will I take a profit? A stop trail loss, a profit? I think it's a bargain. I think I can make more money in the future. But I could take some money back out. Remember though, if I buy and sell now, I will pay 20% tax. You will for the first year. No question about it. Short-term gains. Might be worth holding it. It's one for the future. But it all depends. It all depends. So we're getting quite a bounce. I think Photronics could see us return a profit today. The fall has definitely stopped. It's going sideways. Seb Dean, are you here? Did you buy in? I started margin when it was 2%. Now it's 4%. Now it's 5%, actually, Arnold. It's actually 5% on Robinhood now. It's worth noting. And it's probably going to go up as well. I bought in. I am here, mate. Did you buy? You bought Photronics. Ah, right. Well, after this video, after we go live, finish live here today, Photronics is going to go up. Because I've got 2 videos going out on it. And it will go up. I'm absolutely sure of it. It's 1% of your portfolio. Nice. Very nice. I'm sure we'll make up. What price? What's your average? What's your average? You can use margin safely and make great gains. Just use it conservatively. Make sure you have a good plan. Absolutely. Margin is fine. Just don't go 90% margin. Keep it in balance. Don't go too much. And if you've got a stock that you've bought on margin, sell it. Take a profit. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, what's your average? Mine is 1705. So I didn't get the very bottom because I bought it on the way down. What's your average? Right, let's do day trader of the day. 1686. Oh, look at you. Check you out. See? You better than me. You're better than me. Mine's 1705. But, you know, it's immaterial, really. This, you know, down here, it's immaterial. You know, we're looking at a stock which is worth 26, 27, 28. That's the target on it. So, at the end of the day, you can nearly double your money. And that's the short-term price target, not 5 years, 10 years. You know, so I'm happy with that. Anyway, let's see what happens. I think it's day trader of the day. Now, if everyone's watching, please subscribe and ring the bell. I was Margin Clark during the technology bubble. Let's just say I was busy. My trade blotter was bigger than some of the traders. Oh dear, oh dear. You'd be a great asset to our show. Stock Market Plan. We go live every morning for the opening and closing bell. We're here several hours a day, every day. This is my main channel. If you look below, it's like a TV guide. These are the upcoming live streams. See here, look. Upcoming live streams. These are my shows. Every day, same time. I'm always here. Never miss. All right. If you're interested, though, I also have my music channel. Remember I said to you, we're trying to grow the best, not the biggest, the best. And you hopefully become the biggest by being the best. I have a music channel as well. And I'm actually the world piano man. So if you'd like to check out my music at the end of the show, you can. And here is my music channel. Let me give you the link in the chat. It's on the homepage of my YouTube channel anyway, so you can see it. But there it is. Go and subscribe to me. Have a little listen. I do 14 voices, 7 different languages. This is all my music. And there you go. Anyway, back to the main trades. Right, it's time for day trader of the day. Right now, the markets are starting to recover. Correct, Jason, it's not on eToro. Can't see this stock on eToro. Jason Newman. Would you buy more Lucid now? No, because I'm fully invested. I'm stretching myself as it is. That's why I need to sell some stocks anyway, to make some money, to be able to buy more. No, I mean, Lucid's great, but I've got plenty of EV sector with Tesla. I don't need any more EVs, but I've got, you know, Arrival, I've got Lucid, I've got Polestar, I've got several others. I've got enough. Gove, Canoe, you know, I've got plenty. Right. Don't worry, mate. I like what I see. I like the engagement. I will get involved for sure. I think it'll be a good calibration as well. I have lots of stories to tell. Oh, by the way, if you are a member Stock Market Plan, you can call in live on the show. Our members can call in. Let me show you how this works. If you scroll down here, I'll open the broadcast lounge up now. If anybody wants to demonstrate this to our new guest today, here you go. This is our Discord, and there's our broadcast lounge. You can call in. You can't see that channel, and you can't see all our members' channels unless you are a YouTube member. You get the public channels, but you can't call in and do other things. You can't have your own channel and stuff like that and blah, blah, blah. You can't reach out to me 24/7 and stuff unless you're a YouTube member. All right, it's only a couple of bucks a month. But the memberships is what supports the live shows. That's why I go live all the time for the members. I wouldn't be live all the time if it wasn't for the members. I would just make videos because I make more money making videos. All right, but I go live for the members. Right, so, and this is what you can do. You can call in like this. These are some of our members that have called in. And let me share with you, we've had some celebrities call in. Here is Kurt Wucker. He's big on CNN. He's on Fox. He's been on all the main news channels. He's a crypto expert. Here he is. He called in.
I'm Kurt Wucker Jr., and I am blessed to have been on the Day Trader. Please subscribe, watch everything. Martyn is being really, really honest with you guys. It's a killer thing. So check him out. You can check me out at coingeek.com and gorillapool.com. It's been a pleasure.
There we go. And we've got Ali Tisrow from London.
You should definitely join the Day Trader. Join us. Join the family. I'm very excited to be part of this family. We're going to make some money together. And Martyn is the most straight up person I've met so far. No chitter chatter. We just get straight to it.
Hello to the family and the future family members. Izumaki here. I just wanted to say The Day Trader is one of the most honest, 100% open YouTubers around. Martyn's an honest guy and helps us through all the market ups and downs. Don't be shy, say hello and join the family.
Follow Martyn's The Day Trader. You got to be in it to win it.
The best that you can have today is to join the Martyn Lucas show. Make yourself some money and have fun with a great group of friends at the same time. Go for it.
There you go.
Welcome to the Day Trader. Tom from CMV Studios here. The reason why I love Martyn and the channel is he's always willing to help everyone out, gives all of his time up dedicated to the programs, to the shows. And if you want to know anything about trading or music, then Martyn's your man to go to.
Wow, look at this here. Stephen Lewandowski, never play with margin. Number 1 rule, sell half when double or 3x your money. Number 2 rule, I made money from March 2020, started with under 100,000, made 720,000 by July 2021. Wow, Stephen, I can't even imagine numbers like that. That's incredible. Thank you for being a member. Can't wait for your badge to turn light green, and then it will turn gold, and then it will turn red. After I retired, I did a lot of videos on YouTube. I still have a channel, Stock Market Plan, but I've not tended it too much. Been focusing on Twitch now. This after kids. Took a long hiatus. Well, it's lovely to have you here, Stock Market Plan. You're very valued. You could be a very valued member of our channel with the experience that you have. Share with our members. Have your own channel on Discord and all those other things. And I'm more than happy to promote all your channels, put you on the homepage of my channel and make videos for you and promote your channel, whatever you like. I'll be joining this evening, Martyn. Totally agree with the comments and advice. Seems a great, friendly channel. Oh, fantastic. Just 2 more members and we have special exclusive. When we get 100 members, which we're just like 97 now, 98. When we hit 100, there's going to be exclusive member-only videos, member-only chats, and all sorts of stuff, because I want to really thank my members. I think it's a very most valuable part of the show that we go live all the time. All right. Virgin Galactic is green again today. I think we need to wrap up the show because I need to get these videos out very, very quickly to promote our Photronics shares today. Honestly and openly with everybody. Thank you for all the follows on TikTok. We've now got just under a handful away from 24,000 followers. Incredible. And on TikTok, if anyone subscribes to me during a live show, and you can only subscribe to me during a live show, at the end of the show, which is like now, I will make you a video. I will put your TikTok channel on this TV screen behind me. I will make a video for my profile. I will make a video for my channel promoting your channel. So I will say, hey, join this channel here. I'll tell them about it. I'll tag you in it. And with my 24,000 followers, you're bound to grow your channel. You can then copy the video that I've made for you and put on your channel. If that's not worth being a subscriber on TikTok, I don't know what is. Plus, we have exclusive content. I'm here to grow the best TikTok, Twitch, and YouTube channels in the world, where we give away money to all our members. We do fundraisers for everybody. We give away money every Friday for free in our newsletter on our live YouTube show, and we're here to help everyone. So there we go. Links are in the profile if you want to join us on YouTube, the home of our family, or if you subscribe to me here, you can have all those perks and benefits. Thanks for all the follows. Thanks for all the likes, but we are wrapping up the show right now because I have to get these videos out. Jason's going to join the family tonight. I can't believe it. Brilliant. We can't wait to have you, Jason. You have a friend from Uganda in East Africa. There we go. Cheers. Currently at work, but we'll be on the closing bell. Jason, look forward to having you here. Remember, anybody, if you are a member and you want to come to the convention, the Day Trader Convention, the 15th of October, we're meeting in Cornwall. I have 30% discount at the hotel if you want us to stay overnight. We have entertainment. It's just $50 or £50 in the super chat, and you can be there. If you back the Kickstarter campaign, you've already got your ticket that was included in the campaign. All right. Okay. I'm going to get off. I've got to make this video. All we need now is, Day Trader of the Day. Day Trader of the Day. We haven't done it. This is where we find out who wins today. You ready? Okay, go to your main portfolio. Go to your main portfolio. Now make sure that you're up to date. If you've got the live button and it's grey, you're behind. Click the live button and make it turn red. Make it turn red. I am down 2.38 right now. And we're going to find out who our trader of the day is. Down, or investor, down 2.57%. There we go. And once the first person posts, I will give a minute on the clock and we will bring in everyone's score and then we'll wrap up the show with the credits, of course. If you gave me a super chat, if you subscribed, if you became a member, you will be featured in the credits. If you didn't, then you won't. So there you go. Any more subscribers? 4684. Hasn't moved today, I don't think. Back to our main position. And here comes our first score. Here we go. All right. Oh, down 2.57, down 0.49, down 6. Ouch. Our winner so far, that's Dexter Sickles. You are a good. Thanks. You are a good. Down 0.58, Tristan Tales. You are a good man. Well, I hope so. I try to be. The channel is I commit my life to doing this. I've been here for 14 months, 5 days a week. 10 hours a day for the members. That's what we're about. That's why we have the highest engagement rate. You remember when you was on TikTok earlier, you said the engagement rate on YouTube isn't as good as TikTok. Do you agree? Do you agree now what I'm saying? My members are committed. The family's committed. They never go anywhere. We're here for each other. We support each other when people get ill. So we've had people get really sick on the show, lose money, make money, everything. Right, it looks like our winner... We've got no one up, but it looks like Jason Newman, our new guest today, is our winner today. He's lost the least amount of money. So there we go. Thank you very much for your honest trades. Let me just readjust that. Is that better there? That's better there, isn't it? Thank you for your honest trades. Give him a thumbs up. There you go. And give him the sound effects. There you go. Just grab some Virgin at 5.92. Average of 6.06. That's even better than me, darn it. All right, fantastic stuff. Let's have a look at Virgin Galactic. Yeah, SPCE. Yep, 5.99. Very good indeed. I've got 6.10. Right. Okay, it's time to get out of here. I've got videos to make. Photronics is just going sideways pretty much. I'm down 2%. I'm not going to buy any more. It's okay. It's a down day. Many stocks are down 2%. I'm not buying any more. But we are going to get out of here now. I just need someone now to say, roll the credits. I need someone to say, roll the credits. And I will indeed roll the credits. And I'll see you back this afternoon for the closing bell. Thank you ever so much, everyone who followed me. Yep. No idea what that was. Cheers, guys. See you later soon. Roll the credits. All right, here we go. Roll those credits. Okay, let's find out who did something today. Stephen Nadowski. Oh, you would have won. Sorry you were too late. And Mike slayed the Restream bot. He slayed it again and became our #1 moderator. Photronics is just dipping down again, 2.6, but I can live with 2.6. It's fine. Logan Pizza gave me a super chat for his Photronics. I hope he enjoyed that, and hopefully it will benefit the stock later on when I put the video out in a few minutes' time. I'm going to get to making that right now. What about our new followers, Tristan Tales, and our subscribers, Live Aboard Sailor and Stock Market Plan? Just subscribed to the channel. There we go. Have you rung the bell? Make sure you've rung the bell. I wonder if you'll appear on... I don't think you'll appear on it now, though. Subscriber. Live Aboard Sailor. No. I would have to roll the credits. I'd have to turn them off and roll them again. Let's just see if I can do that. Let me just see if I can recognize him. Right, close it. Turn it back on again. And roll the credits again. He might come up. I don't know. I'm running out of time. We've got a few seconds to go. You might come up now. But that's it. I'm just about to leave the show. Subscribers, live aboard. There you go. There you go. Stock market plan. You've made the credits. So the Jewish banker has found the chat on here. It's me, Snedbury Sloan. We've just come into the end of the show. The Jewish banker, thank you so much indeed. That's it. I'll see you all back this afternoon. Thank you very much. Quickly subscribe, ring the bell. You got to be quick. There you go. Give us a thumbs up and you might make the credits. That's it. Become a member. You've got like 10 seconds to go. I'm out of here. I'll be back this afternoon. There's the membership. Become a member. Trust me. Be a member by the time we come back on the closing bell. I promise you will thank me that you did. You'll love it. Take care of yourselves and each other.